Welcome to the Thoughtful Carpenter Reviews. This is the tapco, I believe this is the 19 Pro 19 bender. So this is an aluminum bender. It's got two handles that are tucked away on the sides right now. We're not here to talk about this. A company called Innova Tools creates a product and it works on not only my tapco, it works on their modular brake, and then it also works on other brands of brakes. I can't remember the other ones off the top of my head. But anyway, the support legs, the tapco cells, which are actually over there off to the side because they are an absolute nightmare to use. I end up using sawhorses most of the time because trying to set those up, get all the push buttons, get all the pieces put together, get the wheels on it, and then the wheels fall off of it all the time, super annoying. So this brake currently only has two wheels on it. I have another one coming for the other side, but for the time being, I'll show you how I can load it by myself. It's what makes this super convenient for job site setup is for how fast it is. Also, I'm sorry I'm losing my voice, but I've been sick for the last couple of days. So anyway, let's get this thing loaded up and into the bed of my truck, and I'll show you just how easy that is. There's little handles, one on each side. Pull in. It's got a little index thing that holds and locks the lid into it. And this brake weighs several hundred pounds, even though it's aluminum. There's it's a bit of a big one. The other wheels would actually be super helpful for pushing this in and out as they actually ride right on the bed. But sadly, I'm an idiot and it was installed incorrectly and lost one. So again, little handle here. Indexes. And boom, 10'6" brake loaded by myself. I can do the same procedure to unload it. I can just pull it back out, drop two legs, drop the other legs, and off I go. When I'm used to using this, I normally have to find somebody else to be with me, tell me to lift it up. Otherwise, I'm basically gonna throw my back out because it's a couple hundred pounds, and it's super awkward being 10 feet 6 inches long. Hope that review helps. Hope you guys had a great time. Let me know if you have any questions. That is the Innova legs that go on here. Super convenient. See how nice and machined all that is? The little locks and the levers and how all that integrates and works together. Really well done. Super smart innovation, obviously from Innova Tools.